Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha from Delhi. I'll be presenting our ongoing corpus study on Marathi verbs. We believe that this work will form the basis for the psycholinguistic study. To begin with, I'll introduce give and take as observed in Marathi. I will discuss various predication strategies in which these verbs occur. Further, I will talk about how these predication strategies are determined by the nouns, the nominal complements. Next, I will present the semantic domains in which these verbs occur and interaction with the notion of compositionality. To conclude, I'll briefly outline our future research. We all know give and take verbs are generally ditransitive. Suppose I say Ram gave a book to Meera. There are three arguments here: the giver, that is Ram; Givi, that is Meera; and the thing that is given, the book. Newman observes that the verbs like give and take involve movements of a thing, typically the hands of a person. Thus, a thing is transferred from one person to another. This constitutes the very core literal sense of the verbs. The rest of the senses, say, take a walk, give a lecture, are all peripheral or extended senses of the verbs give and take. We have annotated 2000 sentences from Marathi UT Tree Bank and Anuvad corpus. The annotation is done at two levels: morphological level and dependency level. The morphological level handles the arguments, and the dependency level captures the event structure. The graph clearly shows nounless verb CPs of give have the highest frequency, followed by the simplex or SVC forms. Idioms are the least attested. It needs to be noted that the verb take displays the similar distribution. The notion of portability is crucial here. It divides the nouns into two categories: portable nouns, the ones that can be transferred from one person to another, and the non-portable nouns, the ones that prohibit transfer. Transfer semantics is retained in simplex and SVC forms of give and take verbs. Thus, the select nouns whose upper ontology is concrete and are therefore portable, say a book or a man, while the extended senses have concrete or abstract nouns as their complements. So say wall, which is concrete, or visit, which is abstract. But they are always non-portable. Such senses form CPs. CPs and idioms exhibit degrees of lightness. This table talks about the interaction of event type, semantic domain, and compositionality. Broadly speaking, compositionality is the phenomenon wherein the meaning of the whole is determined by the sum of its parts and the ways in which these parts are organized. So when I say Ram gave a book to Meera, each argument has its own semantic role, and these meanings arise systematically from its parts. When the semantics of transfer is retained in simplex and SVC forms, the give and take verbs are in the heavy versions. As we move from transfer to idioms, the semantics of transfer gradually bleaches, and idioms are characterized as the lightest. Thus, we propose a degree of lightness, a continuum wherein the literal domains are highly compositional and idioms are highly non-compositional. The verb plus verb CPs and the noun plus verb CPs lie somewhere in between the compositional and non-compositional divide. This is how, unlike the previous studies, we have quantified the compositionality of give and take across event types. This work would inform psycholinguistic studies. Given the findings, we predict that noun plus verb CPs are easier to process than SVCs, which are in turn easier than verb plus verb CPs. This should facilitate the understanding of the mismatch between the event structure and meaning composition and allow us investigate the contribution of nominal ontology in the comprehension of event types. These are our selected references.